Hi guys, these are the products that I am using to achieve this look.
Life on that line.
I'm back with another video. I've parted my hair off camera. I made a circle in the top and I sectioned off where I want my braids to lay. I'm moisturizing my hair with A.G.H hydration spray before I braid my hair. I'm starting off by clipping my ends, and now I will start to feed in hair as I braid. Ladies, the products I'm using to complete this style is Bobbi Boss Hair Rat Tail Comb, She Is Balm Edge Control, and A.G.H hydration spray. Ladies, it's very important to keep your hair hydrated so you can avoid breakage. A couple months back, I started noticing that my hair was falling and I had some breakage. So I was on the lookout. I was searching high and low for a company to where I can actually see results. I didn't want a company that had a hype thing going on, and I finally found the perfect company. I have purchased about 4 of her products. I have the anti-breakage, the growth, I have the hair loss, and I have the hydration spray. I haven't tried all of her products, but those 4 seem to be working really good. Like I said, I am not sponsored. I am just giving you guys some some pointers, some tips as to what's been working for me. If you want to purchase from her, I will leave all of her information in the description box below. Hey you guys, you remember that circle that I parted out earlier? Well, what I'm actually doing is doing box braids. I sectioned off 4 sections and I'm gonna do 4 box braids. This is just to ensure that my ponytail is not thin and I will have the thickness when I pull all of my hair up into the ponytail. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.